Velma! Hello!
Bakit ba lagi kayo nagpupunta dito sa office ko? Don't you have your own office in the same building?
Oh, I thought you'd be flattered. I personally came here to tell you how happy finally the board is. But you don't seem to be happy.
Well, should I jump for joy and scream just to show you how happy I am with the campaign?
I know you're screaming. Screaming on the inside, sa gigil. Because now you know you can be replaced.
I'm sure kating-kati kayo sabihin sa akin to.
Well, yes. I've been waiting for years to tell you this, ever since you threatened to grab my spot in this empire.
Well, Mom, I'm not like you. I will not allow myself to be replaced. I built this company with my blood, sweat, and tears.
And my money. Don't you ever forget that I still own part of this company.
How can I forget? Araw-araw, para kayong tumitilaok na manok, nakaka-remind sa akin tungkol sa utang na loob.
Congratulations to the person who is responsible for the success. Would you like to join?
Kaya na ni Shari yan.
Hindi ko kailangan suporta mo.
Really? Kahit ang totoo, binigay ko sa'yo ang full credit ng Tara Park project?
Sherry! Don't you dare hurt Noreen.
Ay, wow! Nax! Napaunlakan tayo ng mahal na prinsesa. Ano naman ang nakain mo at bigla kang umuwi dito?
Kahit paminsan-minsan na lang ho ako dumadalaw dito. But last time I checked, bahay ko pa rin naman ito, ma.
This is all that you really have, right? Tama ba ako? I mean, look, you own this entire imperial company and all the money in the world, and yet, I took the most important thing from you. Si Eddie, your son, your baby, your único hijo. I'm sure kung kaya mo, pakakasalan mo siya just for you to keep him.
I am still the mother of your husband. So give me some respect.
Respect is a two-way street. Kung ayaw mo mabangga, huwag ka mag-overtake.
I'll never let you get away with this, Velma. Matapang ka lang because of my son. You will be replaced and you will lose everything. I can almost see you crawling back to me.
Matibay ka na rin talaga no? Pinangahawakan mo pa rin ang posisyon mo sa Velma Beauty. Kaya kung makaasta ka para ka nasa pedestal. Pero sinasabi ko sa'yo huwag ka masyadong mayabang. Hindi mo pa sigurado kung hanggang kailan ka magiging prinsesa ng Velma Beauty. Katulad ng nalaman ko, nabalitaan ko na meron ka just...
Shut up. Kung ano may sasabihin mo, ma, alam ko na yan. Kaya ako pumunta dito Dahil sobra-sobra na yung sakit na nararamdaman ko. Mapatrabaho man o personal. Pero alam mo, ma, tonight, I was hoping for a miracle. Baka ngayong gabi, makaramdam ako ng kahit kaunting pagmamahal. at concern galing sa inyo. Na baka dito, maramdaman ko o mahanap ko yung pag-iintindi at suporta galing sa inyo. Dahil kahit dito sa sarili kong pamamahay, hindi ako malaya na maglabas sa sama ng loob.
Alam mo ikaw, hindi mo na ako nirespeto. No? Hindi mo na talaga ako ginalang.
Ako ba, ma? Narespeto niyo ba ako?
Ikaw wala kang utang na loob. Ano ba pinagmamalaki mo, ha? Yang posisyon mo? Bakit kaya hindi ka maligo nang mabawasan naman yung bilib mo sa sarili mo? Sige na! Mas maigi pang lumayas ka na lang dito. Umalis ka nga dito! Kakaimbera, umalis ka! Buisit na to!
Oh my God, I'm so sorry I'm late. It's so traffic! Oh my gosh, late na ba ako?
No, you're not. You're just in time for your 10 a.m. ophthalmologist appointment.
What do you mean, Miss V? I'm here for Tara Park's billboard photo shoot.
No, dear. I'm here for the Tara Park photo shoot.
Pero ako yung ka-collab niya, Miss V. And dahil sa campaign ko, kaya tumaas yung sales ng Velma Beauty, remember?
Well, that's why I booked the best ophthalmologist for you. Because mukhang malabo na yung mga mata mo. Hindi mo makita ang reality na ako pa rin ang mukha at boses ng Velma Beauty.
Miss V, kung hindi dahil sa akin, walang Velma Beauty Bright and Light Concealer na viral niyo.
Exactly. Velma Beauty Bright and Light Concealer. Emphasis on Velma. But don't you worry. I'm gonna give you credit for the success of this campaign. Kahit alam naman natin kung kanino dapat ibibigay ito. Excuse me. Okay, I'm ready to shoot now. Let's go. Hi, Tara. Mwah. Mwah. Okay.
Miss Shari?